Are you forcing a child to write ABCD or numbers early? Then please stop. You might actually be harming their development. As a preschool principal for over 20 years, I see this mistake almost every day. Parents are in a hurry, but childhood is not a race. Please understand. Writing is not the first step. Before writing, the child's hand and brain coordination must be ready. What age is right? Most children are developmentally ready for structured writing around 4 to 5 years. Do you know what happens when you force writing early? Child loses interest, develops wrong pencil grip, gets stressed or irritated, and start hating studies. And once that dislike starts, it's very difficult to reverse. Now let's see what should come before writing. Instead of writing, focus on these activities. Number 1, fine motor skills. For that, you can give them clay play, paper tearing, threading beads. Then for hand strength activities, you can give them squeezing sponge and playing with blocks. Then for pre-writing skills, you can start scribbling, coloring, and tracing lines. Playing is also very important. A child who plays more in early years learns better later. Parents, please don't compare your child with others. शर्मा जी का बेटा तो लिखता है, मेरा क्यों नहीं? See, this is not a milestone. Then what should you do instead? Talk more, play more, read stories, build confidence. See, writing will come naturally when the child is ready. Don't rush childhood because these years will never come back. Let me share a story with you. I still remember one little girl was there in my class. She was just about 3 years old. Every day her mother would send a notebook and say that, "Ma'am, please make her write A to Z properly." उसको तो लिखना ही नहीं आता. घर पे तो वो सुनती ही नहीं है, बैठती ही नहीं है. आप प्लीज टीचर को बोलिए ना कि उससे एटलीस्ट 2-3 पेज रोज करवा दे. I was surprised to hear that, but I paused and I said, "Let me observe the child first." The next day, when I gave the child a pencil, she rolled it tightly, struggled, and within minutes, she started crying. I observed something very important. Her grip was incorrect. Her fingers were not strong. She was scared of making mistakes. But more than that, she had already started disliking writing. One day, she looked at me and said, "Ma'am, I don't like school." And that broke my heart. I called her mother and explained, "Your child is not weak. She's not ready yet. We need to give her some time." We stopped forcing writing. Instead, we started play, coloring, fun activities, and guess what? Within few months, she herself picked up the pencil and started writing. That's the difference. Forced learning creates fear and natural learning creates love. So don't make your child hate learning before they even begin. I hope you understood that before forcing them to write, आपको इतना ध्यान रखना है कि आपका बच्चा लिखने के लिए रेडी है और उसके लिए आपको उनको रेडी करवाना है. You have to work on fine motor skills, hand-strength activities, and pre-writing skills. These all are very important. This will prepare them for their hand and brain development. Parents, please don't rush. Please be calm, be patient, and give them some time. If your child is not writing, that's not a big deal. वो सीख लेंगे. उनको बस थोड़ा टाइम दीजिए. उन्हें प्रिपेयर करिए लिखने के लिए. सिर्फ लिखना, ABCD करेक्टली लिखना, नंबर्स करेक्टली लिखना ही इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. उनको लिखने के लिए तैयार करना इम्पोर्टेंट. So if you agree with me, comment yes and share this with parents who need to hear this.